Folks, little unusual rain we had today, and there is some severe flooding that I had to go through right here, this huge lake. A guy was gonna ride his bike, now he's just walking his bike. This truck here is driving through something that I almost floated away through while I was driving home. Little dry spot where my house is, and then right up here you see the same thing. It's just a big puddle of water there. A little unusual for Florida to get flooded like this. Not even a hurricane, just rain, but it's as bad as a hurricane.